Are you looking to download Windows 7 Service Pack 2? Then you are at the right place. We have got the right solution for you. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Option 1. Using Microsoft Update Catalog. To start this process, first visit Microsoft Update Catalog website. Then search for KB3020369. Then click on the corresponding link and download the update. After that, double-click on the downloaded file and follow the on-screen instruction to install the update. And there you have it, an easy way to download and install Windows 7 Service Pack 2 update. We hope this method has worked for you. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which solution solved your problem. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.